So this is Marco, this is Devontae, and this is Timmy. He played Barry sax in a band that I was a drum major in this band in high school, and he played Barry sax in the marching band. All right, so we're gonna go here and make some lines. They're gonna film that, and I'm gonna sing them a 3-minute song, and then
3 minutes?
Then we'll be on our way, and then we'll have some beer.
We're gonna bother you if we listen.
Yeah, you can come over.
Okay, we're going.
The east side got colder, my people got older. Where have you been? It's only been 8 weeks. Control, you got lazy. You've been imported. There is no border. You abandoned my ship. No, you abandoned the ship. You abandoned my ship. No. Well, check the back of my phone. It's an Apple. I'm calling my mama. She said, "Somewhere you at on the map, though?" I said, "I'm here, but I'm back home." And ever since I've been back home, I got my fam on the back, like the bag on my backbone. They text me, say, "Hey, where are you at, bro?" I said, "Shout out to Nick, he's been his damn self. Scholarship if it wasn't for GL. And all of this talking and all of this walking has gotten me pumped up. Shout out to everyone, shout out to mama. The east side got colder, the people got older. Where you been? Control, you got lazy. It's only been 8 weeks. There is no border. You abandoned the ship. No, you abandoned the ship. East side, that's my reign. East side, that's my game. Shout out to GL for that one. And I'm done. Are you ready?
Yeah.
My rap name is Crackhead Red. That is my Instagram name. But there's a lot of people in Maryland that know me as Young Bobby Flay. Sometime Eastside Bobby. Jake Overstreet. Reputations. That's what we're gonna talk about today. But yeah, so we're I don't know. I just play a little piano, and I got scholarship after I went to prison for 12 years. No, I'm joking. That is not true. I did go to prison. No, I'm joking. I did not go to prison. It's county. But no, honestly, I'm here with DORiS, and I'm just happy to be a part of this segment that they've gotten going with Tim Saunders, and this is my wife, right here, Leticia. That's Tim Saunders right here. That's Devontae. This is a DORiS squad. Hey, this is Debbie right here. That's Debbie.
Hi!
She's my boss.
How are
She's
you?
half boss.
That's right. I write the checks.
She writes a check. 10,000, baby. I'm joking. This is AJ. And that's Aunt Jane.
You already did that.
You forgot Avery. Most important.
This is Avery, and he'll be rapping with us today. You should see the way he freestyles. Yeah, this is Gwen. Yeah.
Tell her about your freestyle.
Well, we just got finished with the freestyle. You missed the performance. We just got done singing, and everybody was clapping. And no, they weren't clapping, but it was awesome. But no, thanks to AJ. She was birthed from not just AJ, but Debbie. So you all respect. Yeah, East Side. East Side. Let's do it.
Let's do what? What do you want to do?
The Deliverance. I'll rap over Deliverance. Yeah, this is it. East side all day. East side all day. All day, that's where I got my name. Young Flame, right here at AJ. I'm Steve. How you been? That's my friend. And we played the banjo again.
Your glasses are so cool.
The story of the glasses?
Yes, please.
Okay, the story of the glasses, where they were left at my home at a party we hosted, and I sent the picture of these glasses via text pic to everybody that we knew that was there, and nobody claimed them, so here we go.
That's amazing. That's the best kind.